Um, Evening, guys. Evening. Okay. Sorry for disappearing. Yeah, not gonna say much about it. So a lot has been going on in the last 3, 4, 5 tours. So what I'm seeing today is consolidation. So now UK, whatever strategy that you had, just delay on it. Don't do anything about it because they are consolidating now. They're changing their strategy, so it's gonna be a bit difficult in the next coming what you call 4 or 5 tours, right? But let's do a recap. Let's do a recap. Okay. Sorry. Let's do a recap. Alright. First things first, what I would like us to do from now on, I want you guys to check numbers in draw order and numerical order, both draw order and numerical order. There was something that I have seen that's very consistent in a way, especially for lunch. Okay. Sorry. I want you guys to focus more. I want you guys to focus more on draw order, right? Draw order gives you all the answers that you need. You just have to pick the right ones, and you can boom. No, the way numbers are coming in draw order, it tells you what they're planning in the next draw order, right? Like for example, I want us to start. Let's start with this one, visible one. Alright, check how these two numbers came about. Alright, and from here we can safely say, let me check. We can check. Alright, check how these numbers came about and check how they are sitting. Alright, check how they are sitting. 27 has been delayed way too long, guys, so make it a banker for tomorrow also. 27 a banker. 27, make it your banker going forward. It's been delayed way too many times. I don't know why. Alright, and from there we start to check. Where do we start to check? 29, 11, nothing came. 28, 20, nothing came. 32, 42, nothing came. Alright, this is where they started to confuse us. That's where they confused me actually. Right, I want you to check these three numbers, two numbers pair in a draw order. All of these numbers, if you minus, they give you 27. So 27 they delayed and they delayed and they delayed, right? So now check 1845 minus is 27, and 1845 bonus minus 18 gave us 27 today. This was supposed to have been a sure banker for us. Alright, check how the numbers are coming about. They tell you a story. Go into history of how numbers have been coming about, and you can see and find a loophole. Alright, I want us to check another numbers. Be careful of numbers that are sitting on this as a second number in draw order. Numerical order and in draw order, they are sitting in the same position, right? Let me see if I can go back. Let me see. Alright, there's something else that I'm seeing. I'll come to that one. in this draw, in this draw 5 is sitting as the second number, and this draw 7th, this number is sitting as the second number, right? And we skipped this draw 11 is sitting as the second number, and this draw 24 is sitting as the second number. Which other draw do I have to look at? Alright, and this draw 5 is sitting as the first number, but I saw something and I'll come back to that one. But let's quickly focus on these numbers that are sitting as second numbers. But we have we have 21 that I saw. We have 21, we have 11, we have 24. So now, let's see. If a number is sitting as the second number, what do? You either add or minus by the bonus, right? Add or minus by the bonus, okay? Add or minus by the bonus. Or you look at how numbers have been coming about. Add or minus by the bonus ball. So if a number is sitting as a second ball, both numerical and draw order, add or minus by the bonus, right? And add or minus by the fifth number, okay? And which other one? 28 did not come, 14 did not come. Minus, nope, I'm lying now. Yes, add or minus by the date. Mostly, actually, in terms of this one, the most preferred it's minus, but you add or minus by the date. Okay, if a number in draw order and numerical order is sitting at the second number, you add or minus by the date, add or minus by the bonus, add or minus by the fifth number. Okay, this is what I want you to see now, guys. It's been going on. 21 is sitting as the second number, and if you add it by the bonus, it gives you 25. 25 came there for lunch, all right? And if, sorry, let me see, it's 28 did not come. And if you add by the fifth number, it gives you 45, all right, for T, all right? And let me see, yes, so as the second number, give us two numbers, lunch and tea, and also for tea, lunch, but it does not come from there. All right, and let's go to 11. All right, 11, remember I said add or minus by the date, bonus, or the fifth number. Okay, but you look at how the numbers are coming about and you see where your banker is. So now 11, sorry, 11, when we add by 2, gives us bonus 13 there. And if we add by the bonus, it gives us 56, which does not work anywhere. And if we minus, it gives us 34, which does not come, right? So it did not work there. But if we add it with the fourth number, look at how those numbers are sitting. And in numerical order, 11 and 18 are sitting close to and next to each other. Okay, they are sitting close and next to each other. 21, 24, in numerical order, they are sitting next to each other. So you should see the relationship of numbers and how they are coming about, guys. Right? And I want us to look at something again. 25, 2, they are both sitting next to each other in the same line as 11, 18, 21, 24. Okay, in the same line as these numbers, right? That's the relationship of numbers. That's how they give you a coming back banker. All right, so where do we go to? So 11 plus 18 gave us 29 there for T. All right, and which other number is sitting next to another one? Oh, and then 11, remember I said add. Remember here they added by fifth number and the bonus. This time they added by the date and the fifth number. So 11 plus 8 gave us 19 there, and it gave us 29 there. All right, now we come to 24. Wow, only seeing this now. I wish I had seen it earlier. I wish I had seen it earlier. Okay, look at this relationship. Gave us two numbers for lunch. If you minus both by fifth number and the date 21, there it gave us 25, 45. All right, for lunch, this 25, 45, right? And 11, 19 gave us lunch, and then 18 gave us 29, right? Look at that relationship there. So now they repeated what they did here. They repeated what they did here. Sorry, they didn't repeat, but instead, because they started to minus here, they skipped. All right, they started to add here, so they skipped. So now 24, when we add it with the date, it gives us 33 there, and if we add it with the bonus, it gives you 37 there. That was the main and sole purpose of 24 sitting as the second number. All right. Okay. Now I want us to look at another relationship. I want this relationship now. I want to see where it's going to lead us. Okay. 28, 26. Numerical order, they're still sitting as the fourth and fifth number. All right. Sitting as the fourth and fifth number. Now, I want us to look at another relationship. I don't know what to make of this. 28 plus the date. Whatever number that's stationary, guys. Right? I want you to remember this. Whatever number that's stationary, you either add or minus by the date or the bonus. Alright? I want you guys to kind of like look at that deep. Alright. So 28 minus 9 gives you 19. But 28 plus 9, which is the date, gives you 37. There's a 37 there. Alright? I wish I had seen this earlier. Yo. And we come to this one. 36 minus 9 gives us 27. We already have 27 there. If we add by 1, gives us 28. We already have 28 there, and if we add by 1, it gives us 29. Alright. Okay, so now we come to this one also. Stationary number still minus the bonus. So 36 minus 13 gives us 23. Gives us 23 there. Alright. I want us to also look at, I don't want to talk about that one. No, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I really hope that's going to be a sure banker for me. I really don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I seriously do not want to talk about it, because maybe it's a strategy that they're thinking I'm not seeing, or we're not going to see. Right. Use a 10, 28. I don't know, guys. Can we at least try a repeat of 28 tomorrow? Can we have a 28 repeat? Can we have a 4 there also? Can we have a 42? Can we have 24? Can we have 14? All right. I don't want to say where I'm getting certain numbers, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. 28 and 14. I think I'm going with that one. Alright. I don't know. I'll tell you maybe if they do come tomorrow, especially 28, I'll tell you where I got that number. Alright. I'll tell you where I got that number. Okay. Now for T tomorrow night, gives you 27. Something that I've seen, I really hope that it's something I've seen this, right? Starting from here, minus 4 give us 37, minus 4 give us a 2, 25 plus 4 give us 29, so 23 plus 4 gives us 27. Okay, I still need to see, I still want to see, I know it came earlier this month, but I still want to see the pair of 28, 29. I want that pair. And it's close, especially with 29, 28 playing like this. They are calling one another now. Alright. Okay, what else? Okay, guys. Where do we go now? Okay, let's start here. Okay. Let's start here, guys. 49 minus 24 gives us 25 there. Alright, so 34 minus 5 gives us 29 there, and if we add, it gives us 39 there. Let's see. Alright, before we go any further, alright, so if we minus, it gives us 29, and gives us 29, 5, 34. 34 minus 5 gives us 29. Ne? So now, 5 plus 24 gives us 29. Alright, I don't know guys, I don't know, I seriously don't know. And now 5 minus 13, they changed, I think they changed. Let me start here, let me go back a bit. Minus gave us a 9 plus the minus and then they added plus gave us 48 there. Alright, I hope that you're seeing what I'm seeing. Minus gave us a 9 and with add it gave us 48 there. Alright, I want us to see the relationship. And 11, 7, 23. So they skipped these rows. They came here. They managed to give us 25 there. Nothing happened afterwards. So it's 33. Nothing happened. 15. Nothing happened. So now we come here. They minused and then they added, alright, to give us 39, to give us 29. Okay, and we come to this one. Remember, they were adding here. Now 18 minus 5 gave us 13 bonus lunch. They minused there, and 18 plus 9 gave us 27 there. So they minused this side and then they added this side. So let's continue with the same thing, because the previous ones mostly gave us t, right? So now we do this exactly what they did. Oh, it's not gonna work. Definitely not gonna work. If we minus 36 and 2, it gives us 34, and if we add, it gives us 38 there. Alright, then we come to this one. 36 minus 27 gives us 9. Alright, so we have 9. And what do we do now? What else did I see? Alright, something else. Okay, nope, let me not talk about it and just give a number. It worked 2 times on T, from T bonus, to give us 1 single banker lunch, right? So now I'm gonna try it now and see if it works. I'll try it and see if it works. And I really hope something might come out of it. Either tomorrow we have a single banker 30 coming with 8, or we have a whole 38 coming tomorrow. Alright, I really hope so. Guys. Let me go to another one. Let's start here. 6 plus 5. See how these numbers are sitting together. Small numbers are sitting together in the middle of all the numbers in draw order. So if we add they give us 11. This one they skipped. 25, see a small number again. Whenever you see small numbers, know something is happening with them. When you see small numbers, something is up, right? 25 plus 2 gave us 27. So now we come here. I'm not sure with it, but let's expect banker 23 also for tomorrow, a repeat, because we've seen a whole lot of repeats. We've seen a whole lot of repeats, and if we change the strategy, 36 minus 28 gives us 8. We haven't seen 8 in a long time. Remember, this pair, they come in handy. They always come, and they talk together, or they follow one another. Right? So now I want us to come to this one. Whenever 9 plays like this, it brings 23, and if 23 plays, we are left with a 12 to play. Alright? We're left with a 12 to play. We are left with a 12 to play. What other ones did I see? Alright, I'm not seeing anything there. What else am I seeing, guys? What else did I miss? Alright. Let's come to this one. 24. Sorry, what are you doing? 9 minus 27. Lunch T to T gave us 18. Okay, and 42 minus 24. Lunch to lunch gave us 18. Alright, I wanted to do a draw order, but I think I'll do it tomorrow. Now 5 minus 30. 5 gives us 30. Alright, and 43. They skipped this draw, nothing happened. So it was lunch to lunch, it was T to T, lunch to lunch. Now we come to this one. 29 minus 2 gave us 27. So this is from T to lunch, right? That's from T to lunch. Started to change. So it's either we can have lunch to lunch again. 48 minus 36 gives us 12. Alright, gives us a 12. And if we follow what happened here, we will have 46 minus 29. What is it? 46 minus 29 gives us banker 17. Right? You have a banker 17 for tomorrow. Banker 17 for tomorrow. Right? What else did I see? Started here. Right? 11 minus 9. There are certain things, there's a strategy that I don't want to talk about, because most of the time if we talk about it, UKs decide to change. So I really hope that that strategy it's not exhausted. I really hope. I know someone else is gonna talk about it, and ruin the moment, but I really hope that they're not gonna change it. And if they do not change it, I already gave you that specific number, right? So 11 minus 9 gave us a 2 there, okay, and 1 minus 37 gave us 36, and 24 minus 27 gives us a 3, which did not come. So we come here now, based on what they did last. 37 minus 5 gives us 32, which can be a 23. 23 is there already, plus 1, it can be